Marcus, thank you very much for the invitation to Chemnitz, the Heckert factory. Now, we've been very privileged to visit Mönchengladbach and also Bielefeld, part of the Starrag Group of products. But could you tell me a little bit more about the background to Chemnitz?
Well, Mark, we started in 1885 as an importer of British bicycles, and soon we started making bicycles ourselves, continued with motorcycles, with cars. And to make all these things, we needed machines. We needed tool machines, and we designed our own tool machines. By the 1930s, Heckert used to be, or the today factory, used to be the biggest factory of typewriters for office machines on the continent. So starting from this, the company was divided. So the car section went into Auto Union, which today is Audi. So we are one ring of Audi, basically. The typewriter section was excorporated. So in the end, what remained was the tool machine section, which was continued after Second World War under the name Fritz Heckert, who is a famous communist leader. So we are still wearing this name of a communist leader in our machines. Heckert then grew very much, and we used to be the biggest factory for milling machines in all the eastern part of the world, which means we had 6,500 employees only here in Chemnitz, plus all those spread over eastern Germany. We delivered, for example, there is a photo up there of 50,000 machine delivered to Russia, only 50,000 to Russia, and then there's also the rest of the world. So this was a very successful time with big numbers of machines, but as everything, it stopped a bit, or it went a bit down after the fall of the Berlin Wall. After the fall of the Berlin Wall, the company was restructured, and finally in '98 it was bought by the Swiss Starrag Group. And since then we are an important part of Starrag. And well, we have had a great development with Starrag. So the company is now again number one in high precision milling machines. We have a good growth perspective, and I'm very happy with the Swiss owner, which is a very stable ownership. It's a great environment to work in.
And when you look at the type of machines that you build here, I know a lot of the machines across the group is very much a consultative sale, isn't it? It's about finding that solution for the customer.
That's exactly what we are doing. So when I look into the group, we are from more or less standard to more or less special machines. And we are on the standard side of the machines. So we build some standard machines, but also machines adapted to the customer's needs, based always on the standard, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to afford them.
And the capacity of the factory in a given year?
Well, this year I think we will be able to make 150 machines.
And when you look at the future, what does the future hold for Heckert and Chemnitz?
Actually, we are watching the market. We are watching the shifts in the market, in the customers' demands towards different types of metalworking, types of metalworking. And so what we are trying is to anticipate the future trends and build our machines, and not only the machine, but also everything which is around the machine, what's called so nicely Industrie 4.0, to build this exactly to the customer's needs. So we can offer a solution to our customer which is unique and which gives him a competitive advantage.
And for any engineers that do not know the Starrag Group or Heckert, what's your message?
Well, my message is buy a Heckert machine, because you will be happy, because you will be earning more money than with other machines.